Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at l'Université Ali University of Blida in Algeria. Today we're going to present our sixth lecture titled What Does Public MA Mean? MA stands for Merger and Acquisition. So I have divided my sixth lecture into the following elements as follows. What does public MA mean? What are the key differences between public and private MA? Language activities including building vocabulary, final year assessment including quizzes, tests, and exam. So what does public MA mean? Public MA refers to transactions where the target company is publicly listed. For example, its stock is publicly traded on a stock market index. What are the key differences between public and private MA? There are several key differences that tend to exist between public and private MA transactions. These include the following: ownership, management, information, financial valuation. Language activities, the adjective public used only before noun means connected with the government and services it provides. Opposite of private, for example, he spent much of his career in public office. Schools are worried about public spending cuts. Finally, your assessment. So please, learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.